going on, guys? Mikey T here, Jamaican cultural architect and filmmaker. They say communication is key, but storytelling is the spice to life. A story is a better way to communicate than just relaying information. That is why people will buy novels and line up around the corner to buy tickets to see a movie. But have you ever seen somebody buy an instruction manual as much as they may need the help? Friday, June 20th, I'm going to be in Jackson, Mississippi at Diaspora Rooted at the Panton House and Gallery, and I hope that you guys would come there to enjoy with us a night of film, dance, culture, and most importantly, food. On June 20th, for Juneteenth, let's celebrate the stories and the instructions that our ancestors have left us through food and dance, and let's have a good time. I hope you guys will join us in sharing these stories and sharing these moments. Thank you.